National Coloured Congress leader Fadiel Adams is back in the Pinetown Magistrate Court facing fraud and defeating the ends of justice charges. Adams was granted 10,000 bail in May after spending 2 weeks in custody. The charges relate to alleged interference in the investigation into the murder of former ANC councillor Sindiso Magaqa. For the latest on today's court proceedings, we cross live to SABC News reporter Ayanda Mhlongo, who's at the Pinetown Magistrate Court in KwaZulu-Natal for us. A very good morning to you, Ayanda. Perhaps bring us up to speed. He was last granted bail of 10,000. We know what the charges are. What are we expecting to take place in court today? Is it more administrative, or are we now getting to the heart of the matter?
Funda, very good morning to you and good morning to our viewers. Well, the man himself, Mr. Fadiel Adams, we had an opportunity, Funda, to speak to him a few minutes ago before he made his way inside the court. And he was telling us that he's not expecting it to be a long day in terms of the proceedings. What is likely to happen is that the state will update the court in terms of how far the investigations, in terms of how far it's gone with its investigations, and then on the way forward, and whether or not it will be ready to proceed to trial. What you're watching now is live visuals of Mr. Fadiel Adams. Of course, he's waiting to go inside the court for the start of those court proceedings. So essentially, he believes that it's not going to be a long day. He said it's about 10 minutes. And of course, remember, as you said, that he is back after being granted bail on the 18th of May. This relates to the charges, 5 charges that he faces of fraud and defeating the ends of justice in the state, alleging that Mr. Adams interfered with ongoing investigations by the political killings task team, wherein he went to Westville prison and he recorded and took statements from 2 accused persons at the time. And this at the time, the state is saying that these investigations, the trials were ongoing, but also the investigations were at a sensitive case. One of those accused persons was Sindiso Magaqa. He's now the confessed killer in the case, is confessed to the murder of Sindiso Magaqa, who's the late ANC Youth League Secretary General. And the second accused is a former police officer, Sergeant Bongani Hamilton Dlamini. Dlamini has also now been convicted for the role that he played in the murder of a CPF chairperson from the area of Kwandengezi, west of Durban. Of course, Mr. Adams still maintains that he is not guilty of the charges. In fact, he's saying that he sees all of this as part of a ploy to intimidate him by the police because of the information that he says he has, particularly about the political killings task team and also high-ranking police officials. He also, of course, got an opportunity to speak to Mr. Adams following his appearance on Monday before the Madlanga Commission, and what he had claimed some of the challenges that led to him being unable to submit his statement to the commission on time. And then we know that Parliament did respond to say that, in fact, they refuted the claims that Mr. Adams had a challenge with his laptop. He is saying that, flat out saying that Parliament is lying and that he has proof. He has indeed showed us or sent us what he claims is proof of him lodging a request with Parliament's IT service regarding his laptop.